Hi and welcome to the WordPress course. In this video, I will show you how you can add a site icon. But before that, we will update all our plugin. You can see here that we have two updates pending. So I'll click on updates here. And here you can see we have one plugin update and then we have one theme update. So first up, we will update our plugin. I will click on select all and then I will click on update plugins. And my plugin is updating. Alright, so my plugin is updated and now you can see that this 2 has reduced to 1. So click on updates once again and we will update the theme. So I will click on select all, or I will select this theme and then I will click on update themes. The update process is starting and this might take some time. So if you're updating 10 plugin or 10 themes, then this will take a minute, okay? But right now we were updating only one item, so it was pretty quick. Now let's just go to the website and everything is fine. Now I'll show you how you can add a site icon or a fav icon. But what exactly is a site icon or a fav icon? Well, site icon or fav icon are the same thing, and the icon that you are seeing over here, the icon at the top, this icon, this is called the site icon or the fav icon. I will go to Facebook and I will show you the site icon of Facebook. So facebook.com, and the icon that you can see, this icon, this is called the site icon or the fav icon, okay? And in this video I will show you how you can update your site icon. And in order to update our site icon, we need one, and we don't have one at the moment. So we will go ahead and we will create one site icon. So I will go to this website favicon.io/favicon-generator. You can find this link in the resource section. So just go to this link and here we will generate one site icon from the text. So I will write TS here and the font is looking good. I will click on this color. I want my font color to be blue, and in the background color I will select white. Okay, so white is cool for my background color. And if you want to change the font family, you can go ahead and do that. I will choose a different font. I will go to B and I will choose bubblegum, this one. And if you want to choose a different font family, please go ahead and do that. You can also choose the font variant and you can increase and decrease the font size. I'm not going to do that. And after this is my preview and the preview is looking good. I will click on download to download the icon, and here you can see that this is a zip, so we need to extract it first. So I will open this in folder like this and I will extract it over here. So extract all and then extract, and here is my fav icon. Now let's just go to the website and then click on customize. And here we have a lot of options, and these options, so from performance to global, these are specific to this theme. These are the theme customize option. If you are using a different theme, then these options might not be there for you. But these, from site identity to additional CSS, these are the WordPress option. Okay, so these are the WordPress option. These are common to all WordPress theme. But these options from global to performance, these are specific to this particular theme that we are using. If you are using a different theme, then you will have more or less option. Okay, now let's just scroll down. We will talk about the common option first and then we will talk about these theme option. So to add a fav icon, just click on site identity and then click on select site icon and then click on select files, because we need to upload it first. And then I will go to downloads and then I will select this file which I just downloaded, and then I will select this one, this file, and I will click on open and I will click on select. And I don't want to crop the image, so skip cropping. And now you can see that the site icon has changed. Now if I close this now, so if I close this option now, then the site won't be updated. We have updated our website, we have added a site icon, but we need to publish the changes. So click on publish to publish the changes, and now your site has a icon. Alright, so that's it for this video, and in the next video we will talk about all these options, so all the remaining common WordPress customize options. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.